Joe, I can't beg some credits. No worry about that, man. Just send me some credit.
Alright.
You really send her credit, my youth?
Boy, if me send her a little credit, you know, cause as she has sought me out, I don't know anything. I'm gonna stay like the rest of man their way. We just deal with woman and not give them nothing. I'm gonna stay so.
Well, I don't really have no problem, you know. But every minute she call you and tell you that she want credit, you take up your phone and send credit to Gyal. I do even few man, so I don't see what you send her credit for.
Well, you can go and talk, you know, cause everybody have to share. I'm certain no say all the good all share too.
Excited credit coming. Hello. Girl, nobody the excitement. Come, where's the happen now? Hey! Me a come, girl, me a come. Whoa, me a come. Why you this one here? So girl, why you tell me so if you call in and see the walk come away they go?
Girl, this is a story I couldn't wait. I have to walk out meet you with it. Come sit down and tell you about it.
Brad, what you know, say I look for
Forward this one, man. Consider yourself.
So Brad, what you doing in your saddle? What you want to do in your saddle?
Right no more. Not even after this right now, you know. Cause enough dip on the brain right now.
The day after, you know. So you're not worried about nothing the day after. I don't know, you can't tell me anything, not true. So all the stress to me off for your head, I have to take them off, because I'm there for you. But I still want to hear what stress you out and what they for your head still.
Remember Jaden, my older brother?
Yeah, man. Remember Jaden, man. All up to last week, I see him come from work up at hotel.
You know, say hotel you see me come from though. You know, again, look at them fire him. I understand. I did help do certain things right now. My mother is sick in the hospital. And I did do certain things. I mean, I have stress. But anyway, I'm going to lay low.
Boy, I'm sorry for hear that, you know. So you can't get no more work. By the way, how you know say your brother breed that cat be the way you tell me about say your brother breed and your brother fi know and you know instead of your brother?
Mama, a bag of things are going on. I don't even know what to tell us. John, no. Swear.
Remember Jay?
Jay. Which year that day?
You remember Jaden from Good Up?
Brown Jaden we used to go to high school with.
Him same one.
And he start work at Sanders now.
No girl, they fire him. And that make the story sweeter. You know Kayla?
Yes, girl. So what happened now?
She know they breed for Jaden.
So hold on there. Jaden not married?
Then night girl.
Hey! So hold on there. Where you get
where you get all them a story? Who tell them a story? You know I say we can't do to load it up still, but yeah, we soon get it for you. Well, the people them wanna call me, so we attack, we link up. Alright girl, me have my ear for go deal with too. So we link.
Alright, well I'm going, so I could do this fast. You know, see, at least I try to end it nicely this time. It's not my fault, people. No have to like, share and subscribe. Imagine get one full length movie shot like that. One bugger hands. But yeah, people, that was me. I play with the camera as usual. You know me, like the camera, like video edit, like shoot. And yes, people, I know I get a B-roll, a break. But this whole shooting movie thing kinda nice now. And then I don't know, the videos and video editing and cinematography, I want a whole heap of branches. And if you don't know me, I don't know, follow me for a long time, I know say, oh, this is my passion. Yo, yeah, I don't know say I'm passionate. Now come out here. Like, share, and subscribe. Later.
Don't know, big up to Richard Brown Film, big up to Jamaican. I'm an actor from Richard Brown Film, I don't know. You understand? We have a YouTube channel going on, I want to go over there and subscribe and share. You understand? My YouTube channel name is Nice Can. You don't know, you know, we're out here live and direct.
So no, can you look funny enough to know, man? No,
Alright.
I had this no.
Go make
After
sense. Go make.
Papa, run for no.
No, make that stitch.
No man, just run more and catch you run. Run to run to. Oh, but you shot or show so. How if you show from so far? Let me shot, man.
Man, now we swap shot, no man.
Alright, show up shot and come back.
Shoot that part here.
Come on. Use piece of close pin and pin up.
No ball.
Come back right here. Hold him up first and then let him. Come back right here. I answer the high hand. No, Alton, come back and see my brother. Come here. Alton, just turn over to him. Start first to hold you up. Then you go back there. Come back here. Come hold him up. Take a license for us. What? What? No bother start. Just catch you one. Come hold him back here. Come hold him back Alton. I waste of time, I should back at time. I don't know, waste of time. Just get you something. So I'm saying, you make you hold your back.
Alton.
I'll catch it close, look how wide I shoot a while ago, just make you hold your back, no man.
Alton. Alton.
Alton, feel good, okay, best. You feel good.
I don't feel no best.
Yeah, I feel them. But what?
Alton.
Right, Alton, tell me that's a big boy. Big boy.
Yeah.
Big boy.
I said about Alton too much.
Say that's my name.
Yeah, but a big boy.
Yeah, big boy.
Yeah, come, get closer, come. Tap one, someone.
Don't look on it.
Stop laugh. I'm going to get no. You can't make it on. Make a blood clot.
No, but you want to look for him.
Look for him.
Ready?
Come, you can talk to him. How come up and let him go and talk to him?
Run
If
for
you
me
don't
now.
talk to him, no, you grab him back.
Big boy. Big boy. You know, long boy. Big boy. Big boy. You know, long boy. Big boy. Big boy. Big boy. You know, long boy. You can't do it.
We have key already.
That's a key and come to me, man.
No, you're looking yourself. No, looking.
You body him up, you know.
Yo, you're made dead now, you know.
You can't.
You want know. When you see me now running now, where we no guy on a dumb board. I'm here there now, you know. Just here take it up.
Body,
Me dead. I'm the one coming off here, you know. Yo, which Gyal, which Gyal? I'm going to mash up around here.
You tell about Kira.
I tell you, man, I'm going to mash up our candy, you know. You know me? Aye.
Flank
you know,
badness.
I let me out of saying. Bad.
I mean, I'm blah blah.
Blah.
From Flank out, yeah, bad girl.
Yeah, man. Step on, but no laugh. If you laugh, you know I'm afraid of you.
Flanker, you're a flanker. Big up flanker. What he had?
Flanker bad place, but you call it.
What he had? Body
We have something to say. We may body more.
When man, you know,
Why you know?
in my run, when do I while ago? You wanna hide never there? You wanna hide?
Yes.
When I got, yeah, when I call you, where you wanna hide for? Yo, what? What man look good? Dirty dog, me look good. Me no ramp for me, you know, yo, man say, yeah, me when the place I'm in blood, you know, me no mash up out here, you know. Yo, listen, it's fun come up now, I'm in deck. Yeah, I'm in deck. So when me see you, when I call you, you come. You need to come check me too. Me no need to come and come check for you, and more you come check for me, because me mash up out. Let's go.
Yeah, we don't have to walk to look for you, you know.
Yeah, man.
Body up.
But I can make you know, say.
We know bad up people, you know.
You ready? Body up. Let's go.
Richie, you spoon in your phone now.
Eh?
You spoon in your iPhone, making a video.
Don't catch this.
Oh, you don't search for it. Go for it.
Don't catch what?
I tell Akim don't catch this. I'll be any sins, madam.
Let's go.
What am I not to catch?
You come with a well, you catch us.
This, don't catch this.
Show him a show, somebody.
Like Japan.
Like that.
Like
dropping.
I will show you like it. Lady can't manage that, I know. Let's go.
Lady, me gonna give you a piece of your show. See your man, you can tell me here.
Hold on.
You know, man. Take it to them now.
We can hold it back. Because 20 seconds. We can hold it again. That's started back.
Go back on night. Start back over. Just take it back over. You come on the corner. Just hold it back.
You know matter, just one.
Come on the corner. Don't make no mistake. One.
Yeah, better start back for
No, go back. No mistake. Don't make no mistake. One chop. Come. You know we are there. We need to tell you to do again.
And if you send out my mother, just grab him in the chest.
Remember the whole thing is, you know, if you hide for enough, run for you and him die now. You know, say one time, take a time, say, come run for him now. Okay, I look for your man.
Hold on.
So, I'm tell you, I tell you my story. I'm saying we cut. No cut no time. Just take no break. Now look for number the 2 yards. Stop.
If you feel like you look in there, Richie, no cut. Yeah, it's straight. So you know which direction you look. You know, sometimes I like it to look by you and now look by you. Wipe off your lens.
No cut here, here's money.
Don't stop record, just record. Subscribe.
Big up yourself, Jenna.
Subscribe.
Blow.
I say, so what you want in that movie? I say blow. So blow, no. Blow.
Come on, ready? Ready? No laugh.
Big boy. Hold on. The van there pass.
You pass.
Commander look like he have money, boy.
Ready now, action.
Big boy. Come here, man. We are running, boy. Come here, man. Come. We are running, boy.
Blow. Relax the blow.
We come back now, you know. And we see me here for names down here. Eh? We Skira. Hey, boy. Know what you do, you know, boy. Know what you do. We come back now, you know. And what? Eh? Me don't look good. You don't see me bleach out. Me black when me left here, you know. We come back for you now. So try to let the girl say left. And me mash up for you in the face. You know what I say? And yo, you know where me live? Don't make me come look for you. You see next time? Man, hey, know what you do. You may have relax up, bro. Don't ball to me, man. Yo, just know what you do. You hear me say? A flank can come from, you know? You're a bad girl. No rampant man. Yeah. Yeah, so try run with the girl.
No, we don't have to try out too much. So,
I'm here now. No, so you look
I'm here now.
Hug me up. Hug me back, come on. Hug me back, come on. You're walking the middle.
I hold on and swing.
Yeah. Come on.
Alright.
I'm send me a shop. Yo, you're coming here. No, let the guy for me.
Yo. I'm here there now, you know. So you and that the girl ain't no more relationship. I'm here there. Yo, come on. Come on, don't yard with it. Come on, boy, come on. Don't yard with it.
I shop me, I got mommy send me a shop.
Come on, boy.
Send me a shop.
Come on, don't yard.
I'm smart. I'll tell you, big ass here. Come back. We're walking slow. You see, I'm one them people on the truck, man. Yeah, that one, but everybody let me have to shoot it close. Come back. Stop walking up on the man, man. We're tired for your cut and come on, people are going to walk. I say go.
Stay behind the camera, just stand behind the camera.
No, brother, if you know so me, I shoot, brother. Tired of it.
Come on, I'll tell you foolishness, boy. Come again.
Come on.
See, they will have momentum, God.
Come again.
Now if you turn back the camera here.
We don't come on.
Then now, if you pull him in now. After the command.
Come on, boy. Don't yard. Come on.
Stop that, sir. No, stop, sir. You go outside. You're chicken now. Chicken move. You have a chicken now. One pee-pee. Blah, blah. I'm piss by you now. Are you going to go here?
You can go by your road.
You can't go my yard. You have to come back over here, sir. You're using friend of yours now.
Who that?
Papaya. Chucky. Yeah.
Go call Chucky.
Chucky.
I don't want to Chucky.
Move.
Come on, outside.
Make him go first. Make him go my yard first. When you go my yard first, you know, go
Everybody come now here. Where's the way to do yours?
After you run go my yard, I know. After that, no. Papaya go over there, that's the one going.
So what actually call out Papaya?
No, you go down there, a bleach pan him. And see Papaya walk past over there. And he say, now come out first idea. So then Papaya come back home and come and say, come over here. Now come here, son tied, then we play there. But then come on with someone who tell him, say, yo, Mama, I will Papaya know and say, yo. My big boy. Yeah, but that's some time work play, you know. Boy, call was man, because you have a bad thing. You say, it's bad Papaya, say, bad thing now you bad Papaya. Yeah, say, no, me, I blow. I touch my brown out now, you know. Him, Papaya remember him now, so blow. Let's eat the ball the time we go to school, I take a lunch somebody and say, ready here, you think that cops? Come back. So we want to know, you are a big boy. So if you're a big boy, are you, you know?
Come back, I'm sorry.
If you want me, if you're there, we can't allow big boy alone on me there, you know, because it's one man.
Yeah, man, you get big boy.
You know, you get big boy, go for big boy, please. Now,
Tony, where have you there? Then he said, no, cut the sneak picture from where we are going to say you can't roll, brother. No, it's rules now.
Behind the scenes, yeah?
Yeah, you cannot roll.
Oh, you can do so, you can behind the scenes.
Alright, you know, when you be dry, you can like treat yourself instead of say, you don't have to get it.
I'm going to make him one.
how much you want? Huh?
Come on. Come on. Come on, don't be out there. Go on and come on, you're repairing a boy. So allow me out to start with.
Alright, just something there.
All up on people.
Don't go back, no more. No man, come back. Come back, we catch up. Sorry, come back to that door. Go back same place. Go. Come back. Subscribe people, so I worship.
Bye-bye.
Hurry up. Now wait for your boy. So long we talk about sound for you. So long. All the people boy. I just want to come on, run after
Here we go.
I'm going after
Don't run off. To the right, just. I see you now. That boy, big boy.
Yeah.
And Carlos, Chucky. I know, Chucky have to come at the same time. Chucky! Just so beautiful. One Papa come at the same time.
Papa, la fine.
Papa, we are the so. Alright, my laptop online. I see you then 30.
Oh, let me phone this time. I get on the one from there. What's the car? How much you got on phone for a fight? Not iPhone, man. No, my phone. Like Samsung.
I must round this aside and Mama said the boy. Yo, Oscar. Come here.
What I say, what go in general?
Oscar.
Yeah.
Why I really have to talk to you again, you know? Right now, me and your granny I said they want to fire you from your workplace. I want to go on up there. What go on with you?
Yo, Jack. Sometimes I not like tell Mama certain things, you know, because Mama love blow things out of proportion, you know. You understand? But so me get fire, but me not get no fire, you know. See it? I said big that I go up at the hotel. I don't really want to talk it. That's why you see me a little low.
So, what could I not go on up there, sir?
I'm going to show you a pray, go on up at the hotel there. See? Yo, you see the little catty when I walk around now with the little broad, short catty?
Yeah, man. That little catty the way. Now your catty where you not come on the other day?
Yeah, Ja. Same Ja girl. You know, so the other day, he must show me a prayer. Walk my team up at the hotel, I tell me, say, boss, hold him down, brother.
Bumbo clot. And that a go on up there? And your granny come tell me, say, you want to get fire? You see them boss boy? And them something they really go on with up there?
That's it. And I don't know what to tell she if you do. If you tell him to go to station.
Alright, you are. Because you see them things cost life, you know. Cost life. You see me? Because you know, it's up at the hotel there. A whole palico carry go bring come.
Ja, I don't plan to keep a secret of ever, you know.
Your granny things are fire you out forget, you know. Granny things are fire you out forget. So, here what go on. You just have to lay low. You see me? Because you are. I think I think the thief up there. Because just that me kind of that hear about, but this serious. So you just go and lay low.
You understand? But I go and figure out how to do the same way. You understand? But anyway, I will go to my yard, I will do it. I will link up soon, you hear me?
I will catch up with the eye and talk again. Me have one little thing up a yard to deal with, so we catch up with come on. You hear that?
So you do down here, so look how long me I look for you. We are the right test and me I look for you how long, eh? What you do down here, so what me take me get down here, so?
Sis, me I go through some whole heap of things right now. You would understand some whole heap of things me I go through.
Anyways, if your phone on the yard and your workplace I call you and I get you, and remember, you say any you lose the work, I don't know what you are going to do for take care of yourself. I don't know what you are going to do for get a job.
Danica, him rape me.
What? What you talk about?
See, Mr. Johnson, the man up on my workplace, from a day, I realize say, I be a night shift for give me and night time I'm going in my office, him ever job things for my bend over and take it up. And most time I take up the things in my job, I catch him a look for me. Till one night, but day I'm end up in my office.
Hello?
General, what? Boy, I try to get to you from this morning. I call your phone. Many times I call your phone.
They up on the work, my boy. You know where you go.
Yeah, man. Me that try to get to the eye, man, because you want me, I know. Me have a little thing when I want you really scoop around for me. Yeah. Remember that little bitch in there one day, me I tell you, say, work up at the hotel, man. For me little hygiene youth, you don't know because the youth, them always come to me when they have certain little problem and me all just reason with them.
You know where you go, you have to do it.
Alright, I'm going to show you what going on now. You see me? It's a serious thing towards what him said to me, you know, but here what? Yeah, my brethren, and I really like some more you go lock up nobody. But more you give you the best advice for you think would have know if you deal with this thing. You know, say, you must show me a vibe, say, the boss up at the hotel, hold on him woman.
Rape? What you say to me? So you no report it?
No man, we never really want to make no report it. You see me, that's how me call you. We kind of find out what we can do for kind of, you see me, if we take her money, if she can take her money off of him or cool it down her.
No man, that man if you go and go report it, man. What you say, man? We don't have to go report it. You told them, make you told them go report it. And that the man they up at that hotel, you know, if you know because that man is heavy, you know. Yeah man, that man is heavy, man, so if you know the same way. Yeah man, make them go report it.
Alright, my general. Yeah man, give thanks for answer the call, man. We link, man. Don't worry yourself, man. Yes, my general. Yes, my general. Alright. Me give you a call the next few days time from now. John, what is man? What is?
I'm going to bend over and take it up. And I him that I must see what I'm from behind. And I say, Mr. Johnson, what you do? And he might force up himself for me. I might try to get away from him. And he will on me. And then he will start tear off my clothes. Alright.
So who you tell? You go to the police, you tell the police?
Well, I tell my boyfriend and I tell him to wait down because nobody not going to believe. Because they're going to say Mr. Johnson having a wife and this and that. And I'm confused, girl. So I'm not really go to the police then yet. Or send it to nobody more than my boyfriend.
Come on, because this now go so.
Big up on yourself.
Real military man.
Yeah man.
There's a no movement.
No movement.
Tiffy, come out as a man, make people and see.
What's the
Zaza. So you say I go on today? Papa? How Tiffy gone? I chat to Papa. Papa?
Yeah.
I go on to the bakery.
Well, it's going good. I just need a couple more foreign orders.
Hold on. Couple more foreign order?
Yeah, for Christmas. Fruit cake for Christmas, you know, guys. Definitely.
I don't know nothing about that.
You know, business have to come good. And when business thrives, that's where it's gonna be good.
Well, my birthday I come from one that dozen cocoa or more.
How many your birthday?
January.
God.
How much?
4th of January.
Oh yeah, Capricorn.
Yeah.
But I have 2.
I hope Mr. Brown rich.
My phone just up on charge. This one can't go for mine?
Oh, you sleep with nobody, man. You can't say morning.
Oh man, you know, you like long time. Brother, I'm midday now, brother.
Okay.
You just say go on normal, you have to say man.
So we are shoot today, Alton.
Alright, I want a name. Who need enemies?
Who need enemies? Watch him.
We out.
You know, so me I shoot, I'll go get me your pin.
What inspired that movie?
Well, I don't know.
Where be a staff of though?
Who need enemies?
The topic sound poetic. Or the title, I mean. Who needs enemies? Nobody.
Who need enemies when you have a friend like these? That's the basic.
Okay.
You know,
So I like a popcorn, that's it.
yeah.
Who needs enemies? Friends like these, who needs enemies?
Friends like these, who need enemies?
That's split now.
Big two now?
Just because of how awesome it looks when it's done correctly. Now, if I was to put a name on this masking effect, it would be called the 2.5D masking effect.
Can I get spliff too? I say Alton I beg, so I beg too.
You still can cut it?
I joke people, no split. Joke me. Machine now start, general.
You want a jump start?
Tiffy! A Tiffy actually people.
Just give me piece of it.
No, Mike, when I get ready.
No?
Yeah, stop him.
You get ready. Why you so dishonest? Judge God. I love backyard. Anyways, thanks. Thank you. So, I wait. I go and wait.
Ricky.
Yeah, I'm gonna get some water. Can't live without water. Can't live without water no matter what. You might survive with food, but can't live without water.
What is it? I say you try to shoot me, I shoot him. You're the toughest thing.
Hold the camera.
I saw an angel. I can't hold the camera.
Where's it? Where's it?
I see an angel.
Where?
In heaven.
Where?
Oh, did God send you down here? Did God send you down here?
Yeah.
Oh, so if you am recording driving, me a puppy show? Hold the camera. Hold on, man.
Where's it now, Karen?
Come on.
I'm drive with them. Hold on, I'm going on the next side.
I wanna come.
Alright, take this side. Sorry.
Okay. There's the fun.
Alright, so we're to Alton.
Yeah, go. Yo!
Watch your soldier.
Yeah, go Duns River.
Tiffy! Hold on there. Tiffy, come here.
gas, man.
Big up on yourself.
Real military man.
Yeah, man.
There's a no movement.
No movements.
Come here, go ahead. What I shop front there, right?
Yeah. Papa, you can drive.
So,
Because of stupid question.
early morning settings, no shooting,
Brother,
no start. But you know, I go and get somebody, call it behind the scene, or a vlog, or just call it a vlog.
Yeah.
Oh,
Today,
it's on no start, perfect timing.
Hey.
So, how has the experience been so far, Sai?
It's been good.
It's been good? Wonderful.
you know Si's from Brooklyn, right?
From who?
I'm not from
He's from Brooklyn.
I'm not from Brooklyn, but we
Our
repping the
voice is from
gang.
Brooklyn.
Repping the, yeah, my voice from Brooklyn. Out here, it's nobody.
If the
Gotta bang bang.
do the get. Yeah, she give me that rap kind of vibe that people.
Out here.
You know see people in lock up like that.
So you're gonna be a star there, I'm getting that.
Come.
Now camera can point over there so today.
So yeah.
Point over there.
At this fight, we're at this fight tech.
I'm not getting out. Stay right here.
Just came for the drive out.
Yeah, me too. Me too. Well, I guess we can have one conversation. Tell me more about yourself. Come on.
I don't know what you
More
want to
about
know.
yourself. Tell us about high school.
My life public, but I'm real private. High school, I'm not gonna lie. The first year was rough. It's always rough in the first year.
Like what high school was it?
Queens.
Where?
Queens School for Girls.
Where is that?
10 Central Avenue.
That's Jamaica?
Yeah.
Queens High School. What parish is that?
St. Andrew.
Oh, cool. I'm not familiar, but continue.
Yeah. It's an all-girls school. It's fine. They're cool. Yeah, first year was rough. It's always rough in the first year. Second year, I started making friends and stuff or whatever, but I was a little troublemaker, I'm not gonna lie, because I had shit going on at home. I was a little rebellious, you know? But I was always disciplined in my classes. Like
what kind of trouble you give? You don't have one face, so look like it give trouble.
I mean, yeah, but people gave me trouble because I was so cute, you know? So it's hard. It was hard to make friends, genuine friends and stuff. So people used to try and get under my skin a lot. I only got into like 2 fights, though, 2 or 3 fights.
And you won, right?
Ever been to jail?
Yeah. That bitch ass. That bitch ass.
Jaja, driver Alton, taking us back around to Jamaican City. Being bleach out head.
Anybody wanna sponsor a car?
What you think? You think YouTube that powerful? You can get one car, somebody donate one car?
Hell yeah, some new wheels.
People.
One Tesla? You can donate one Tesla? Alton, what did you see?
What boy?
Oi!
Good boy. Boy.
Big up,
boy.
big up yourself.
Browning.
I don't let the people them data alone. So, if time had people, that's why I'm shut down the place. You just drive, go buy one bottle of water and come back. Them drive, go buy one bottle of water. We just hag along. Papa, you hold your screen out of focus, brother.
What you know? We stretch it back. I'm going to the screen.
It's on autofocus. Just press the button.
So really starting bike couldn't start?
Push him man for push and jump. I man just in front of him man, just jump.
Reach back at Jamaican City. One down.
One now
man. No land and lock me in close to you all. I want have space. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Yes, people. We're in Jamaican.
Oh, people, remember to go subscribe to the movie channel. Oh, as I was saying, remember to go subscribe to the movie channel, Lux. So, let me put a link in the description. And if you're your first time over here, please subscribe. Clueless, I wonder, say, what the hell are going on? My name is Aki and I'm a video editor, cinematographer, and a whole heap of things. Check out previous videos to know what is going on. Keep up to speed. Why are you looking at me so weird? You can freestyle? Have anything written down, rap? You can freestyle for me? You can both freestyle and written down at the same time.
Anytime people put me on the spot like that, like a bunch of songs come in my head one time, it jumbles me all up. Fuck. Alright.
Give me a acapella.
No, shall I bust the place, man?
I pop my shit, I got rich quick, I pull that trigger, that bullet gon' hit. Niggas said they want smoke, but they really wanted bricks. Now they look at me amazed like they ain't know what it is. Through the rain, wind, snow, anywhere they get the bread up. I can't trust the soul, just to be in my Loretta. Turn my back on my little system, ain't know that I can never have these dudes out here really be moving like some heaven. So I switch your game, my love, stack the best like do the hef. No, we don't need nobody, we can't take no stories. Girl was fine, I told her meet me right there in the lobby. And we might get strikes, so I can't go too far.
Alright. We might get strike to true.
Your time. It's a rap battle.
Sure.
She remind me of 8 Mile a while ago.
8 Mile,
the movie, dog.
A movie named 8 Mile.
You want to fill him in?
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Oh man. Thanks to all the people growing up, always trying to know a little about everything so you can interact with all sorts of different people. Yeah.
My name is Alton, I'm from Jamaica, and I'm a rapper.
Oh, can you do that too?
Lyrics.
See what I'm going on. So.
Alright, you will go on and now. It's a fast thing here again now. You get some call from one man. You got to call them and put somebody dead, you call today. What we have to do?
TV. Where get them shoes from too?
Everything.
Almost look like the combat shoes them.
Military personnel.
Yeah man, organization, who have been lazy all along. Who want to come back and open up.
Yep. Yeah, real good.
So when the fans can talk to my friends, there's something you guys want to see, but you don't know so no one can see
Woogie.
Every time people look for a brother, remember the movie.
Yo, TV, man, I help him start.
Which movie? Which movie?
Lockdown.
Oh.
Part 2.
Okay.
If you not watch it, I tell you, it's a laugh one over there.
Nah, boss. That's Alton. Shoot me shooting you. This is weird.
Come on. I'll take you to good man. One of the best.
I mean, Alton got show.
Yeah. She's a chef this day.
The music. Remember, say your mic and read the music clear. Selfish humans.
No, look at the music, guys.
Yeah, look a bit. Little bit. So, yeah, people, definitely stick around. Kinda slow pace, yeah, but stick around. I catch them and I'm film everything. Okay, my general. All right. So yeah, people, I just realized that the whole thing did blown out just before I'm point upon them realize that the setting is for change. So as I say, slow pace in the morning, but stick around. We'll catch the whole filming behind the scenes as we usually do. Oh well, bro, you can ride bike, man. Man, lick you down, you know. So man, in the pan bike. Never see you ride a bike yet. Cha no star. Well, no, not about bike still, you know. No, not about bike. I left them up with something, I ain't going to deal with them, I deal with.
Let me start the bike.
Look like they're shooting out for stars now.
What you want now? Me a beat up the soldier down. I know soldier not supposed to beat me up. Soldier now.
Is it fire? Drum. I light the place now. You don't light the place now. They want to light the place now. Just in case.
Some of them want only in a retard don't speak.
Music are playing there, so I'm not going there. I'm try to demonetize it. So we just go and stay out there, so. Look like it's going to rain as well. So it look like the planning process and the freestyling start now. So, you know me? Right down stuff. I always start. And this a man a real bike man.
Mega, you couldn't budge. Couldn't budge your ass. Come on, me on the bike up.
Everyone Papa there, car. You know how long I want punch him. I don't know how many minutes. Where Papa there? Hey boy Papa. Everyone Papa. Him some of them. You know? Okay.
Papa, you get nervous, you know? Papa, you get nervous all like you see me doing it.
No, cha. You remember Papa and Olive and Brutus? Yeah, this story.
You say, just name up some spinnings and like that.
I only play about them.
I think someone set you up, so you go here, you call the police, call the soldier for you. So yeah, murder. I must believe them because they are murder some people around there. You know what I mean? As the soldier come now, you know the soldier come and give us, oh, you're well fair. Well fair. And take off good now, can. As a group, as we have in hand, some police come and find your soldier.
Oh, yeah.
They don't survive the door. Because they get the shot to go down after the soldier. And survive, you know what I mean? Yeah. But you're not going to know someone set you up smart, you know.
No, man, I understand.
Your officer just give well.
No, man, I understand, yeah.
Yeah.
You go give me some, give me
what is that for me? I want to put you on the phone.
When the boy shoot you, you know, by the very yard, you know, you don't want to tell them and say, dead, you know. One long, you know, we do man, 10. That's that.
Pick up yourself.
So it can't work.
Alright, where we are going to start the scene? Yeah, shot.
Where do you live? Huh? Where do you live? No matter about them live. The girl come over them. You have your house so we can't use sex. You have to get the girl. So you not got the yard. You can't get anywhere. For that senior. The senior place they want people they can't go on can. You know, no matter what part they there. You work as they can, you know you can't.
Alright, Papa. Ready to present. Come in, Papa.
And I guess that's how they do it. So discuss, then shoot. Remember, you know, subscribe to the Lux channel. Subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed yet. Yeah. Say I shoot till you can.
Yeah.
Oh. TV. TV. She is beautiful, ain't she? How are TV there? Everybody going up saying the prop them. No sir, I see them. No one that near Worcester. So the whole planning, preparing, everything happen right, the shooting, everything happen right now. And I hit to a catch. So I wait for the soldier, I'm more power with the soldier for go up. I mean big old Rambo knife.
You can't talk to people them.
Yeah, but hide that knife that door, because YouTube no like saying something now. Hide the knife.
Oh, the knife.
Yeah, they don't like see it, YouTube don't like saying something.
Yeah, what going on now? At first, I talk to you know. Yeah, what? Alright, get to Akim too. How much followers you have on YouTube now?
Boy, 8,000.
8,000.
I tell them, so Senegal 100,000. Or 1 million.
Here Akim go 15,000. I'm going to work anything you want me do. Me do it for now.
Oh yeah,
wicked action.
Wanna hear that?
Get him to 15,000, 20,000. You have to worth it.
Hear that? Wanna hear that? So if it's your first time over here, so, you know, make sure you click subscribe and make we know in the comments that this is brother I make you subscribe. You have one request for him.
20,000. Anything you know say me fi do, I hit me I go do.
Alright,
just say the word. 20,000
alright, my boss.
subscribers. Get him right there, right now.
Suppose they want 50 push up.
Anything what they want to get it. Anything what they want to get it.
Alright, my general. Are you me a power with still no? Now I go up and movie city there.
Yeah man, Akim, when you go over Akim, make sure you not subscribe, you know. No do it so you can get any action you want. Any ideas, anything you want to do, if you want to eat lizard, survival.
Hold on there, we not make you do that TV.
No, a survival. No, how a soldier fi do for survive, you know.
Well.
How a soldier fi do for survive, to stay alive, you understand? Anything you want me do, me do it for you.
Alright, my general.
Just say the word, get him to 20,000 subscribe.
Here, 20,000. But I said 20,000.
You have to worth it, you know.
Alright.
It have to worth it.
Alright, my general. Oh, then start shoot already.
You see it, I'm saying I can give one buzz on the corner. So I want no left on the corner?
No, man, no left on the corner, man. You know what say?
Now listen, man. Come, take to the
Keisha.
No, what is the topic? You might have bridging.
Yeah.
I got best bed from school days, daddy. One daddy.
Yeah,
you're about Keisha there.
Yeah, you know what I mean?
I don't know about Keisha. No, man, I'm a friend, man. It's you know your friend. I have a woman a friend too. Yo, nobody can touch her and daddy.
You know what I mean? Murderer.
Yeah, man.
So, come across.
Yeah, man.
Murderer.
You're good though, come here, you're bridging and daddy.
Keisha, even things have to get when I'm dreaming dead.
So, you're good though. You know that? Yo.
No, I'll leave it, man.
Give me gun afterwards. Let gun there. Give me gun. You hold this and come and walk on the road because the face of watch me.
Wow, my friend.
Ready now.
Wow, my friend, for school days, me a friend.
I go and hold it, man. I don't want to go and hold emotion. I don't know.
So, yeah, good.
Yeah, man.
So, Keisha good.
Yeah, man, down for the base, I go and hold the black, you know.
I know say I have to take her again.
Yeah, man, in down for the base. Yeah, man, in down for the base, I hold the black, you know.
Yeah, I like that still, because I like to see eyes.
Yes, hello, you're bad, I know, you got me house. What's your man? Give me some rum there. Who have rum? Give me some rum. Watch out, look for me house.
Alright.
What kind of bomb?
Yeah, watch out now. Watch out with that. We can shoot that part now.
I didn't just disturb you, like, how you did that? Oh, sure.
Keisha down on the block or what?
You mean vibes, yes?
You just sound like a
Yeah, man, Keisha down on the block or what the block, man.
Nice.
Yeah, man, Keisha down on the block or what the block. Yeah. Nice control.
Ready?
Yeah, man, Keisha down on the block or what the vibes, you know? I go on the block, you know?
Well, anyway, still, I'm glad you come check me still because... Anyway, still, I'm glad you come check me still because I want to commission and want to do it. You know, I go down on the road, so I be the police down on the road, so I lock off this thing. Just hold it. Just put it down.
No, I need to pan him vibes, yeah.
Regina, you move, man. How you cut? Anyway, yeah, I'm be a police down on the road. And yeah, I go down on the road and I'm going to walk here, so you lock off with me.
Yo, I come up on them at ends at the
Yeah, move, man.
Alright, yo, it's because of you.
Yeah, man.
I'm going to hold on, Tony. Yes, sir. That's the first thing I do. When I reach back.
Oh, no, that goes, it's my
first thing. You reach back.
You know, move, man. The sugar, man. Oh, man, I don't know, man. I'm not fucking hurt, man. Don't cut the leaf. I'm going to do it, man. Yeah, but tell me what to do, man. Do that. Continue.
Give up it go. Give up it go.
You're going to come in for your gun pass. Go and talk again.
Ready?
Yeah. I'll be a police, they don't follow us. Yeah. So I am going to get the gun. Yeah, but here go. You ready now?
Yeah. Call him back when me I shoot him because they are chatting in the background.
Alright. Go tell her when. Yo, go give something like a police down on the road. Yeah, hold you know.
But yo, never come on them vibes still in a papa.
Listen to me, who names are? A Ringo, me name.
Alright, Ringo. Yo, I never...
Wait. When are you wrong? You have to take it gun.
You don't take it gun, you know?
Yeah.
You can't make it gun, just drag out time hands.
No, man.
No, take it gun. No. You can't do like a scene like you say.
No, before I got the gun pass.
You can't just take out the gun. You sense like that.
This man a show through the first. You know what I mean?
Yo, go and show through that, son.
Alright, yo, I'm going to do it like I'm going to do no talking there.
You think you're going to take it?
Yeah, but I'll take it, but you stupid man just take something and...
No, that bad man, you're going to want it.
That's a bad man.
Alright, so, you walk from this and come on.
Oh, yeah, where are you like? Yeah, a friend, but you are something. Yeah, like I say, we don't come find that. Yeah.
No nice.
No nice.
Ready.
Oh, yeah. What go and Ringo? Hi, bro. You alright, man? We're not dealing with
everything good.
Yeah, man, everything solid, daddy.
You sure, man?
Yeah, man, everything good.
I don't have no problem when I say that, brother. Make careful. You alright? No good, sir, alright?
Everything go bad, man.
Alright, I'm soon calling you up in the middle of the road, sir.
Alright.
I'll call you when you're ready.
Yeah, my brother.
Alright.
Alright, yo, I don't take you properly.
So why now? When much I get good? When I get what question?
And that's why I draw back and I say, I didn't come to this about you what, because you're my virgin, I'm going to take you on.
No, man. No, you're going to say you're going to give man who's lucky. No, man. I'm happy, no, man. The mother killer.
Yeah, right. Yeah, that's why I
So when you talk again and you walk come back in.
Brand large.
You know what I say? Him not have to say?
No.
I don't say already.
No, man. I want to catch him in the shot. Go on.
And chop one
They didn't bring me up now.
No, you stop recording.
Alright, so I'm already back in our back.
No, man.
Stop recording.
Alright, sir. Alright, where did I go? Yeah.
Alright, no nice, please.
So you go down.
So what was?
You know me there? I'm going to hold off.
You know what I have bridging for a long time from school days.
Yeah, man, I know that, man. I talk about, man.
So what was the Keisha?
You know Keisha up a yard, I'm going to hold the block.
Yeah,
man. I look solid, same, you don't know.
You don't think she has to go same.
Yeah.
Nice, pretty girl, you have man. But anyway, still. Well, everything
Hi, bro, we're not here.
I know I go and hold the vibes, see me.
Everything bless up, man.
Yeah, man, everything bless, man.
Alright, hold your hand.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Yeah, my general.
So you know.
Yeah.
I'll be a police down on the road.
We shot down there.
You don't even know, but we have here this lock off for me to come.
Oh, you want me couldn't give boss one back the gun, man. We lock off like one now.
You don't know this man. Him chicken happy. Him kill all the baby.
Oh, yeah, me forgot. You want me go on hold on for it, but you see when you come back, make sure you come link me and get it back for that.
Just the move right, so right there, somebody come back.
Alright,
the whole house black for me.
I go and burn a flash now anyway. Same time.
Burn the flash. I lost, yeah. Burn it, man. Burn it. What camera now? Is someone go walk and say, oh, light up. I've got Ringo there. Ringo guys over going to circle back, man. You know what I mean? So, introduce yourself tonight. You know what I'm saying? I'm dealing. This, that. Alright. So, come back. Come back. Well, fast is doing him, say, oh.
Next man.
Yeah.
Two, we go back in.
Yeah, go back.
The police them come in.
Yeah.
As you come
back on to the pop. You know the soldier come.
Can I put up on my camera, miss? Can I put up on my camera? Come talk to a little bit. Enough people, so I like socialize with people. You know, just chat, get to know people. Never do that. I like do that. No. Why? You know you need friends in this world? Morning. What's your name? My name is Akin.
My name is Tamisia.
Tamisia? You're from around here? I first met you. You don't really come on, don't you?
Yeah.
I first met you, I swear to God. Somebody gonna come give you a piece of movie. You have movie eyes. I can watch a video later and you hear them tell how your eyes are pretty. Your eyes are pretty for true. Are you a friend at night shop?
My mother.
Mommy? Yeah. Let me see if you should get them. No, you should get the eyes them from I see your daddy eye look like yours? But I don't know your daddy has me tell you first, me see you. Oh, the brown man over there, sir?
The Rasta.
Nah, pretty eyes them. Alright people, so as you can see, shooting, filming are going over Jamaican City, all of the things them are going. And I remind you again, if you make it this far, subscribe if you not subscribe yet. My analytics are showing me say, holy pound I watch the video and not subscribe. Nah, take nothing out of you. Click subscribe, you understand? Enable me for, you know, put some full-length movies over there and looks. I mean, I learn a whole heap from the behind the scenes them, how them plan them movies. You know, them to learn from other people's mistake. So, some little things you say could have correct. You make note of it and do all the good stuff. So, I'm really excited to get this project that I have completed so I can show you. I want it to be me learning from, you know, this space. Peter McKinnon, as me always telling you, everything I know about Premiere Pro, video editing, Peter McKinnon. So definitely subscribe to Lux channel, subscribe to this channel, check out previous videos for entertaining content, more behind the scenes, do all of the good things them. We shall see each other soon.
No, mama, if you give me that day, body, you know, give me a nice buzz, you know. You know, no more weed. You don't give me a face more. Like that.
I'm not getting no more weed, bad man. I just give you a biz bag. And you not pay for the weed, them. Last week, I give you weed. Yesterday, I give you weed. This morning, up in 1 o'clock, I give you weed. And just a while ago, I give you weed. Brother, you're too greedy, brother. I'm paying for the man weed. No laughing about man. Watcha.
and keep it changed to you know.
Oi! What is? You still owe me. What is?
So how much more you? How much more you then? Much more you?
See, I write it down and it say you Huga. You owe 12 grand and you give me 5, so that's 7 grand that. You know what? See boss here. Me gonna need it.
What go on here?
There ain't no copper. Oh no, I have everything, you know. Guess what? Kinda short, you see. But watch out now. Can tell you what one, you see, one youth, you see, man. Me I tell you, say, be a foolish, you see, man, going and go round.
Yeah, how much you have then? You hear me now, Ria?
Yeah.
You hear me now, Ria? You say if I never Ricky or your father, you must deal with it like one of them regret the outer road, you know. But here, you're one good girl, you know. So I know you have to put your thing together still, because here one now. At first, I really come up short still, you know. First, I really come up short. I walk on that red board there when I see you sit down with, you know. Just walk on that red board there, you know. Because them board there, some boy love sit down and smoke weed, you know.
Yeah.
You see me? They love to sit down and smoke weed, but anyway, you're a place and I run it still, you know. Because you don't know, say, you know, and every one of them will really come up with their money same time still. So I'm not going to really pressure as when I say, first, you're really short. You see me? At first, you're really short. So, as when I tell you, say, your father is a good man, you know. And it's good to we went out young too, so I'm not going to really make you feel the end of the bargain, you see me? But here, put your thing together, everything now, man, you see me? Mess up yourself, man.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
Oh, Rhea! Watch out, man. I met this a shot, this a trip, you know. So just, you know if you deal with it, and you just put the rest upon that, and you know, that's where it come down, you see me? Yeah, man, let's go and run the place, man. Right now, I have to call the boss now and deal with the boss, because you don't know. You see me? You big up yourself here, man. You short, you hear that? One thing.
Mama, forward now. Later you get back your money. Forward, man. I move like you don't want forward, so.
Listen to me. I only deal with customers who pay me. Customers will take out their money said time when me take out the weed said time. And if you come off a sidewalk, you know see what I get brusky now. You want it? Get up, man.
You
and find something to do.
say, me go look something to do with my life. Me are your customer. You may buy weed from. What you want to do weed for your life?
I don't want you to feel like a style, me a style you. Like a people things me I deal with, and me have to get out of it for food and for my education and for myself. Now, like you, with the and people things, and me have to use it for me have to take out of it for myself, for food, education, and myself. And I like you with the pants. And I like you when I work and do nothing. You need to get up and push yourself and try to something. Sit down on sidewalk is just a hobby. It's not a career, sir. Selling me never say selling weed is a career either, but it's something me I do.
You can't tell me how to live my life. My life now affect you or nobody. You can't tell me how to live my life. I want to so smoke weed. Sit down and I will have vibes every day.
You know what?
Here, I'll get the money. Just give me weed.
You alright where you there. Just let me get my money so we can get the people them. We can get my part.
What go on, Peter? Yeah, man. Watch out now. The thing they go short, you know. Yeah, man, cause watch out now. The little catty there me have a hold it down on the south block. Yeah, Rhea. Yeah, man, she come up short, man. Anyway, at first she ever come up to short still, you know. She good, man. A good girl, man. We don't have to bump her off or nothing general. She good. I tell you, she good, man. You when I say no Peter, man. She good. When I tell you, she good. She good. A long time she run this to me, you know, man.
Right, Miss Cross. Because I failed to pay 2 deadlines that have no pass, your student loan has now increased by 500,000 and you need to pay now.
I don't have that, you know. I don't have it.
Right, ma'am, but you do owe a loan and you need to...
Yes, I understand that. I understand that. So, yeah, I owe, yes, but that no means if we just raise it up, Hello?
Listen me, I never that me call on you so still, you know. If people them show done too quick, so I don't need to explain on myself. And them,
explain himself why the show so why the show so short. Listen, don't take it up with the car.
Good evening, people. You know, it's Donovan.
Yeah. Yeah.
So is this actress is the problem why you don't get a longer film on it?
Yes, my boss. I true.
The director.
She's shy, but listen, nothing wrong with the director.
Okay, my general. Alright, my general.
The director is doing his work. You understand?
Yo, look on the way I get. Look on the way I get.
I've been done.
So, when I tell no lie upon you, are you say the people as she do it.
If you're not gonna lie, look for me. You're not telling no lie. Swear.
I don't know.
Subscribe to my channel.
Okay. Tell them again.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Nicecon, Niceconn. That is my YouTube channel. Also, I'm an acrobat.
Oh, blur not. I do that on your channel, do not you?
Yeah.
Alright, people don't hear that, so.
Can I go over there?
I don't know, say yo. Go on there. I don't know, say I can go over there, go check out. I can't manage it. I don't have a heart, my boss. Because anytime somebody feel like they go drop on the neck and see stuff. But definitely go over there, go check out the channel, people. And this time, I tell you no. Well, I don't know where I go. I want to do the long movie then. Soon get some long movie. In the meantime, big up on yourself, like the video, and make it this far, definitely like and subscribe for your first time. Until then, we soon up, click on more.
Yeah, turn up and watch me. Yo, come up to it. You understand? Where will I be? Where will you? You understand? Where will I be? Close up to me, man. Not to want to bring this place can come through. I want to show you that. I'm going to step back. No? I'll just step back and step in back again. No matter what, just come on, just do it fast. One take. Ready? Go outside. Then can't pitch it in. No, good.
Come here.
You're the yes, I'm here, Gamble.
Oh.
What is the she did I gambling?
No man, I mean she was a gamble.
She there saw them.
Yeah. You can't go and intervene now when you do still and say this and say that and whatever. You don't know so you're right. Alright, let's go. Yeah, I'm a cheerleader like. Yeah!
Yeah, mama, no.
Same thing. Yeah, cook stay on the pot, you know, fish cook, you know. What do you do? But take a paper when you eat, but no, you know, there's no pot, you know, so. What kind of chef are you?
Pop boy.
Ready now, let's go.
Subscribe!
Stop your play. Stop your play. Wait, stop there.
How I play?
Where money? Put on money for the board. Put on your money.
Yeah. Yeah. We get on. Hold on.
Ready? Ready? Ready now?
All right. 7. You see me on a job that day. A woman, what woman is on with it?
See if we can clean out the lens a little bit. Can get a little more clarity. Oh, that are them bully burn. Bully. See?
Ready now, let's go.
Mama, we don't know why you can't give us speeding. You don't want win here and square. You don't want to play. You don't want win. You can't win to get someone.
Make the walk around. Go back. It's a football. Shorty. Alright. We made it. Boss, reach. Big up yourself, big up yourself, big up yourself.
We're going to throw the dice, I know y'all blow it. Yeah, pop on the smoke and they can't go on space. But you know, that they tell me weird. That's right. Check it. Check it. Fix up on his shirt. I'll shirt, yeah. I know how it you ready for come now? Yeah, man. Yes. That's they want to say. Come, ready?
I'm famous roaster that people.
Ready?
You look your name for now, start pushing your ears. Let me clean out your ears. Get something. You have a big stick. Let me clean out your ears. The time for soon come back, run go be sitting around there with a piece of bread and you have feed him and some water. You don't give him no break.
Come, ready, do this fast. Ready, come there. Come, quick and fast. Ready. Go on, go on. Tell her.
How I go on?
Rasta run and forward from. See? First day right away.
At least a Rasta man now can look for him. Eh? I want to see that man now with all the
one flower, you know what I mean? Alright, now go in and curry. Curry what? Go in there, man. Curry what?
Curry vegetable.
Curry vegetable, okay.
Oh yes, of
this
course.
part is uncut, you know what I mean? I ever see it on the net. A lawsuit for you. Step away.
You're not bad, keep it true.
Don't play it, man.
Yes, I didn't buy the dumpling brown one.
Hey, dumpling.
Wow, you want to the bread? The magic. What's it? You want to go to your work? I'm going to Alright, come now, funny road. Come on the road now. It's got to jump on the back. Go. No, don't follow. Go, ready now.
This is a bully brand there, people.
Ready? Funny road there now. Is that time now? One,
I don't know what I roll now.
Wait, take my hand. One thing you have to go from here. Come on, hide out from the shop. You want hide out of yard. You know what I mean? Where is it? Come on, that hide. You know what I mean? More like hide out of yard. By the time you know, when you're small and then you go in the corner, so then they're like, yo, great! What do you mean like that? Fire! I'm going to come here and run past the gun, so. When you come past the gun, so. I'm going to find sheep from one person and so like. You can be somebody. Yeah.
Right, we're in the kitchen. We have ketchup and curry. Yeah, you guys.
We are recording.
Me no see you no good food no. Never see nobody daily.
But it can't be nice.
But it too.
I never said that yet in my life. Curry and tomato and ketchup.
No, we're curry not them together. Where would not curry? Is it curry? Certain things are going on curry. You don't put it in there, but you can't go in there. No man, I'm not going to anything can be
Ready? No, me go hide you.
You go hide me, go on the road.
Yeah, come, my house. Yeah, burn it. Come, take it on the road.
You have to hide me, man, and Mr. Suck up and something.
Some people are burning.
Eh? That's our rest of it. Certain things that taste good curry are waste of time.
Ready, yes sir.
Come now, yeah. One, go over someone.
Here. Maxine.
When Rasta walk, so when you walk, when you like that, come with him.
Salute them now. Big up yourself with a papaya people.
Yeah, I'll tell you go.
General papaya.
Alright.
Ready?
Now wait. What's that?
One glass in there. Take up the glass.
Glass cup.
The glass is the wine glass.
Oh, wine glass.
Go back around and secure it, cause
just a step on the door.
There, so I couldn't catch it. Go back around. So I get afraid I fall curious. You can't do one for you. I want it. I want to ask you something about our smart chap.
I bill 1 foot game.
Curious, Papa, I go bill 1 foot game.
Yeah, Papa. Bill 1 foot fee first. Yeah. But make sure you put cushion in it, so you don't appease him.
Are you
Come on,
Hey, watch Curious. Yeah, watch Curious around for the fall.
Yeah, foot but you know I don't clap. No, two. Look, see that. I say any fall is really wicked.
Ready now?
I can't do lighting too, I feel light as a person in here. Take a walk for that. Alright, right now, Curious. No, come back, man. If you like, I want to go back, you say, I'll fix your face. Wait for me.
You say, my line, man. Just see that you have a commotion, man. Ready now?
Ready. You got her?
Ready now? Let's go! Good on me, Ako. Yes.
Ready.
We telling me I'm going to fix my face from home.
Go on, fix it. Move your face.
What am I curious? Because I like it.
Like it even extra bright out.
Watch it, Corey. You ready? That's it.
Ready. Go in some more.
Ready?
Kind of cough that youth.
Ready.
What do you think you're going
Look on that like car.
No. Look on the road. Let him go on the road.
Look on the road.
Let's go on the road. Can you think I'm going in the corner then? So you go in the corner, and when you go, you don't look back, you don't go in the corner. Just when I go in the corner, I'm just walk up. I'm going to come my girl. So you pass her and go past me, so can I
How much I got?
because my thing is money gone here, hold up.
13.
Yeah.
Oh.
Go up to the house.
I think said 30. They said 30.
Yeah, go up. 30.
So take a picture of when I tell you to come on, man.
No man, take a man. You can't listen to this, you know, man. That's what
We're going to do that. So I'm bucket check. If I'm not bucket this, man, so I'm bucket this up. Ready, let's go. Run now,
go up here now. Ready, and ready. It looks so nice.
Good. Are you sure?
Next time, if you broke out from that, shoot you, shoot me. Ready? See me, I tell you, I'm slow. I'm going like 1.5. Young. Youngie. It's a boy that I know. Yeah. You see, plate? Clean. The pork. Much of the curry, man. Brother, that's a boy in that plate, brother. That's a boy in the plate. That's a boy in that plate. Nothing in it. That's it. What? Nobody show the people say I have to do. I know.
Alright, that's a good. That's a good girl. Turn up the sun now.
You should I find the box alone?
No.
So wait, I'll keep me doing it.
Ask him what they did. Yes,
Yeah, my ask him if he need to take you. Come on.
Yes, sir.
We cannot locate the music box.
The music box is where it is.
Don't bother tell no lie.
The good thing about it is where it is. You know,
No,
we shall find it. What is it? What is it?
Need it.
Need it. Well, them say need it, but you know, I don't know where it is. You know what I mean? Wrong somebody.
Last time.
Wrong somebody. It was not I.
See what going on here, sir?
Tragedy. But I go find them there. I say things there. Just there's somewhere. Put up. You know?
Safe and secure. Alright, so I think I time for go shoot, come on. Hold on, I think the young lady done shoot and now can go shoot.
Yeah, man, they're ready, man. One life to live.
Let's say you can one song again. You can one song for you.
Yeah, man, it's all.
People are good at. Go find him. Owen. Hello.
Me single.
Match.
Me single. Me only my single.
Pinky. May I play your cousin today?
Single. Sister, me single.
I'm going to put it on speaker.
Put it on speaker.
No, stay there, sit down, man. They don't see me. I'm going to put it on speaker.
How they get fighters? Oh, how this? Shavan.
So, may gang up on him, Kalma?
Shavan. What's your name? What's my name?
Chevron.
Chevron.
I say, how would this Chevron?
What on teeth you know for twang? You try twang quick enough?
Yeah.
So, Jesus Christ, so just reach a far and start twang. You ready, Curious?
Yeah.
Tell me when you're ready. Yeah. Alright, me tell her when you're ready. Hold on.
Ring up your phone.
No. Alright, ready now?
Hello.
No, you didn't have your phone in your ears.
Oh, me didn't have my ears.
Yeah, ready now?
Hello.
Pinky.
Hello.
Where go on?
There, man, what happened?
There. You know what I say? When I was young, I tried to get the number. You know what I want to remember when I call them in Jamaica, and so I get the number. I try to reach out to you, man, because why? Are you with me there, so you know?
I see a word, man.
Are you busting me get a meet a white woman and get up that side, you know?
So Jesus Christ, Siobhan, you reach a far in a tongue already?
Yeah, man. boy, she won't live see. Hold on, you have to can't cut.
Blood clot.
Really? I hit me the one say all that.
You know, twang
You
me.
know, twang.
But then
I
you
even want
are
to
That good man, that good, that can cut out.
Let me see Angel. Miss Angel.
How about tea for that?
Right side away, Angel, they're ramping up. And they look on me, so my name see me now. Come like a woman and say, look through this over there.
Hi, Cross.
I be a thing you go on with now. Can you stop video me, you know, you see it over next time to fill up them stuff.
Big yo, stay away there. Big boy, the people. So people don't remember if I like the video them. So I can invest in my movie channel Lux.
For real, man.
Work, yeah, man, and you with me up there, so you know, say I'm going to make a piece of money. You have to know piece of food from the thing away, see?
Yeah.
Hey, Father, know how we lie.
You know, some day I take it easy, though. Lay down on the phone a while ago. I see her call and say, backside, she gonna reach already. Alright. That morning.
Subscribe, people. Subscribe. Bam, man, bomb buckler. I can't shoot that and be a people chat. Papa, you don't know, say I shoot, Papa, it's up nice. Dog, we are trying to shoot them and be a
I don't know general, I think this is a camera I shoot with.
No, dog, we there, you don't know, say where I shoot.
Alright, go on.
Alright, tell TV, say, yo, just take it easy, man. Nobody has something to like see, you know, we call her and make sure you know what I'm going. And then do the conversation. Alright, look at me. You ready, TV?
Yeah.
Alright, tell him me just say, tell him.
Alright, yes,
Tell him me just say, yo, so nobody has something to like see, you know, man. If anything, we just show it up, look at me. Tell him that, tell him that.
Yo, so nobody tell me?
No, man. You tell him something. You said that.
Oh, that's me you say. Oh, that's me you say.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, where's I go?
Yeah,
Alright.
yeah.
Alright, ready?
Yo.
Right here.
Yeah, man. Nobody tell him to like you know.
Oh, yeah, say man, you good man.
Yeah, man. Me dey on the road and now when me dey far, me go link you back later.
Alright, I see a word, Siobhan. Big up yourself.
No, Tiffy.
Yeah.
When me want you to tell her, I said, nobody has something to like see. You will call her and make she know.
Make Lexi know. Oh, me understand.
No, me just call her a while ago. Listen to me, man.
Oh, tell me just call her.
Me just call her a while ago, man.
Alright, so yeah, so tell
Me
her.
just call her a while ago and she a cry, but she get over it though.
Yeah, man, so yo, just tell her, say, yo, if anything me sure to look more, can me just call Lexi to you know and make she know what I go on. So,
Yeah, she
did
a call
a
back.
ball.
Hang up like she a call her back.
Yeah, man, she did a ball. So, yeah, me sure to back, because she a like she a call me back, you know.
Oh, me get you, alright.
Okay, alright, me tell her. Wait till I buy the gun. And ready now.
You know what I'm saying? It just come off my phone and text me a while ago. She had a ball and I go on the most way. Yeah, call me back here. Yo, me too call you back here.
Alright, I see a word.
Yeah, man. Alright.
Alright, so this I know, this a time I know. Who I call her?
Evaluate taxi, something like that.
Who?
Evaluate taxi, something like that.
A Papa phone? Alright, so you evaluate taxi. Alright, so this a time I know you call Akeem now.
I'm going to say, yo, cuz, come here.
Yo, cuz, where you there? Yeah, man, more you calling me on the yard.
Right now. Come on.
You close come now?
Alright.
Yeah, close come.
You ready to call now? You want to call Akeem?
Yeah, call Akeem. Come on,
No, I'm not for the pan phone.
You're not for the pan phone, come on, right?
Yeah, but you can answer right just so. Answer right just and then me telephone voice.
Alright, cool.
Yeah. Just give Akim space and can talk to me, can telephone voice, film voice. Just pretend like you're calling me. Pretend like you just come off my phone. Put up your phone again already. Jesus Christ.
Hotline.
Yeah, my general, me tell Papa if you shout you back because we are using phone now and seeing a film. No, up on fire, we are using phone and film, so me tell him to call back in 2 minutes. Yeah.
Pretend like me just come on my phone?
Yeah, set the phone set you like we did set you. I said, alright, look come on and dial the phone. Pretend like you dial Akim and then start talk. Action.
Alright, look more. Yo, cuz.
Oh, what? I'm there, you know, what going?
I'm there, man. I can't go and give me one link right now.
Alright, may I come. Give me about 10 minutes. May I come right now. Give me about 10 minutes.
Alright.
Alright, good. Alright, Akim, so look at you, Akim. But more on the one established shot before you did start talking. To TV. So set like you did set before. Mankind heart have no love.
Alright, good. So, may I shoot enough so I have to put on the camera. Alright, just there. Right there, so. Getting a character. Forgetting a character that youth will always get put in a friend zone. Although I don't have no experience with that concern. I joke me make always in a friend zone.
Alright, put yourself in there.
Not fine, door?
No, yeah, I'm going to try to establish shot with her first.
What are you going on with?
Don't know, here. Good. Alright, so she come off her phone. How much on this? Yeah, make it just walk here.
Just walk in?
Yeah, make it wait. Turn right. Go back for around the door and walk. Ready?
Pinky! Oh. What going on, cuz?
Hold on, I didn't see them talk, you know. Plug out the mic. I think so we can grab 2 cameras and I can shoot it. You see? Oh, yeah, shoot it. I shoot this one. Early morning, late evening.
So go again, friend up?
Yeah, man, same thing, man.
I'm not door can knock on it down.
Yeah, man. Just knock on it and then come in, no matter if you come home. Me tell you. Action. I'll tell you King Karate. Ready?
Pinky!
Oi, cuz.
What going on?
I don't move. Just say the same thing. Sorry. Think you can come in and control right side of it. You don't set up to the other set or whatever. Alright, so step up. Come from that side. Pretend like you're knocking your arm coming. As soon as you come in, you see the person up there. Ready now, Akim.
Pinky!
Oi, cuz.
What going on, cuz?
Yeah.
How do you sitting that side? I'll tell you, so 10 minutes. So how going?
They reach fast though.
Where are you going?
I wanna know, Richie.
Do you remember how you exactly I say? So what you basically are saying, say?
It does start out.
I must have that.
You might, you know, so me just...
Tell me that make sure you know someone Alexi for a long time.
Yeah. So you just are going to that settings, you know, say... Me just come off my phone. No, me just come off my phone with Chevron.
Oh.
Yeah, and in the front and everything good. So you plan work.
Okay.
You see me plan work. Yeah, and you plan work. So, and then I tell him, say... Do you remember curiosity you say?
boy, I just hope say, this is where you make me get myself involved in. I just hope say work out for you because you like see a friend
For 13, 14
years.
years.
And she never want you. And she never want you, so boy, I mean, I know if this is going to work out.
If you wanted to do it a long time.
Yes, but boy, you must know, but you have to just do what you have to do, but we'll work out for you. That's what I talk about, man. You can work out for you, she's not a boyfriend.
Best cause.
Yeah.
Best this.
Yeah, yes, you know, because that's only you alone could pull off something like that. So, we just get into it and everybody.
Yeah.
I love cheap fans and all that.
And they're fun to burn up too.
I'm not burn it up, burn up if I'm just fool.
But it's not your part.
Let's be a side, man.
I need to learn. Oh, you can start as I want to make a call. I want to make she say, after you come fast, then you can say, I want me to just call me all of us and say, and then you can tell him, you know, so I see him, so he asked me to do the work or let me just check the show on.
Push up like a video so you can hear that song and sound. No love.
Drop the shop off?
I'm
going to take it down.
Big boy.
Oh, you have to sit down for your phone. You have to double click. You have to click on it. You try to go in the settings and have my camera. What am I done? Go across the screen.
Well, you have to double click when the box come over it.
I know how to do it, man, but I just take off.
We said check MKDHD, dog.
Yeah, if I go through city for search. On the box one, like a layer of that click on it. You can start by saying, you come fast, man. No, I'm ready.
You come fast though, cuz.
You want to know say you call me? I have some money to give me.
Basically, you know, say, see him sitting here, make me love the video. Show us come off a car.
I come from your side. You say no, say.
Basically, you see him sitting here, make me feel the video.
No, I don't want to say this. I'm just going to go straight. You know, sir. You know, sir, it's something I asked me to deal with Chevron. Yeah, same thing. So, it just come off my phone with Chevron and boy, everything work out. See, I work out beautiful. Let's see how
I full shoes that man.
just big boy. Ready now? Ready, Akim, ready.
So me attack her, she attack.
No, you can just
Are you up? How are we
it? Just say me come for so I'm some money I have to give me?
I know, say I see him sitting there, ask me for the video with Chevron, I do it though.
Oh, go on.
Yeah, he reach over.
Hold on. Chevron, you gone up?
He reach over.
No, so I'm scared.
Hey, me tell you, me tell you, say you're a star, you know.
You know, I feel... So party, I keep it one longer, man. Oh, God.
Ready now.
Hold on. Siobhan, gone over already?
Yes.
Yo, you know what I'm saying? You're a star. If nobody else would ask to do this, then could have never come true. You know, I tell you, you're a real star, so that means we can't get in, you know?
Yes, because it's better for him and it's better for you too.
You mean a long
I want
time?
to make it well, me want to talk a little bit more, like say, yo, it's better for him, and I'm a friend and live good life over there, it's better for you now, so it's better for you. But yeah,
you work out.
Yeah, because
between you and her.
Yeah, because a long time, and she a friend. And then just elaborate on that about the friends and business. I'm ready.
Because it's better for him and it's better for you too. Because watch out now, because... Oh, no, it's not
yeah, it's better for him and it's better for you.
Watch out now, because... A long time I want her, because... No, I'm going too far.
Yeah, that's what someone say, yo, listen, better for him, better for you. Because I know say a long time, Alexi, your friend, you know.
Yeah.
So I just hope you work out for you because guess what?
I'm doing the local party, I'm doing the party.
No man, tell you what like man, you know what the story about, you know? The story is about Chevron got a friend, him asked if he do it, and but you know Alexi don't want him, so you had give him advice about that.
So many people already say better for him and better for you.
Yeah, boy, you say that.
You know, like when some people
now
they can't get through, but I still deal with him.
Just hope say work out for you and her, because a long time I want her. Start from the party?
Yeah, everything, yes, everything. I already know.
Because it's better for him and it's better for you. You don't know. A long time I want Alexis sisters, you know. A long time, cause so I just hope everything work out, because my friend for 13 to 14 years, cause if you didn't want you, I would have dealt with it a long time. So just hope say no, cause me just tell her say just hope everything work out.
Of course it's not gonna work out. That sound like you something.
Boy, I tell him say you know about the negativity.
Yeah man.
She may say, cause nobody will have negativity. That me not like you know, cause nobody will have negativity.
Cause nobody will have negativity, cause now I know say she have a heartbroken.
Yeah.
She gonna need all the support from me which she can't get.
Yeah.
I mean I sit on you know.
I'm ready.
It me. What sounds up? You know, I'm not gonna work out, man. It sounds up. Gone, man. I know that she have a heartbroken right now, and me, she always a call to support. So you know, so like how she single, you know, that them man they gone, and I mean she have to deal with her now. I will get through, man. I'm not top with the negativity, man. I talk to me like, say, I don't believe, say, I can't get it.
Cause me just a say, cause.
Yeah.
Me just a say.
Just I said, yeah, when I say that now, say me just I say because enough man want me and baby and.
I'm very say enough man want me. I want to see it. I want it panty wa. It panty catches and put it in
Well, I was a deep, but enough man want me.
Want me? I mean them in a friend zone.
I may have them in a friend zone.
I may have them in a friend zone.
You can't even see it's something.
Yeah.
I'm ready.
Cause me just a say. Cause.
Where you want?
If you want.
Where you want?
You can't give man. Oh, yeah, see that. If taxi man a call you.
If I let driver, not you.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a job of the nose? Ready.
Cause me just a say. Cause enough man want me, I may have them in a friend zone.
I tell you, cause me and Lexi think different, man. Like me I get here, man. I don't care, man.
Right, cause.
Alright, I never realize, but hope say not dead. Because we say movie dead. You understand? No, yeah, because we movie shoot more uptown and respect. I will shoot no for part of it. So uptown.
That's not dead, that's so lively.
No, me I talk. You know what I mean? I don't know what
you know what you say. You want to live with Jamaican.
You want it, that's why I tell you, say, yo, enough man, I look.
It's not that me this year.
No man, we understand now. We understand the curious, I say, you want to put more emphasis on it.
Oh,
yeah,
more
I can't
energy.
say them can't see me the jazz scratches.
Oh.
You don't think that bad? That bad?
No, not good.
Enough
So
man
start
want
back on
you
the
and
past,
they
me just a say cause.
Right.
Enough man want me,
And
then can't even smell me jazz sketches.
You have them in a friend zone.
Me have them in a friend zone. That's what
And they go in a friend zone forever.
And they go in a friend zone.
Because I don't see them as somebody who want to look on top of me.
Okay.
I see the mathematics now because you want the blunt.
Alright. We know what we say.
Hold on.
Rough. Alright, you get there now.
Already.
Okay. Ready.
Cause me just a say. Cause enough man want to smell this a jazz sketches and can't smell them. Me have them in a friend zone. And me and them will never there. Much as you come on top of me. You hear me? I say, cause me just a tell you something.
But because that are you, man. I want to man. We are content about all the jazz catches, but.
Cause you know something like how you behave. Me just a put up a girl and look at it. I'm not like how you behave, man.
I've look of faith in them, man. Me get in. So you said, gone.
Yes, cause.
The whole gone.
Deal with it.
So she will call man because she heartbroken. She always a call me, you know, everything you want to call me, send me go uptown and parade and all, but you know how long me I wait for this moment?
You know, cause.
Yo, so
alright, so Mexican call now. But I want to emphasize, where are you now?
Siobhan. Siobhan.
One thing I can say, yo,
Siobhan,
see
boyfriend name.
Siobhan. When Siobhan lock, let's see now. So I call him, it's going to cut down someone call him. Because, like, you want to love when you man that they call it cut down.
Yeah, sorry. People in one camera say if you come to the camera.
Alright, tell us who come. Alright. One second.
Then done the mother cup.
Yeah, man, tell us who come.
Alright, carry on. Yeah, man, okay.
Come on, Tiffy. Come here.
Yo.
Go for it. I see over, you can't pass this. Give them some collect this. Yeah.
They have a key over there?
Yeah, they have a key. Alright, so keep on going. You can probably slice that part there in some place, right? Alright.
Yeah, man.
Akeem, how many if you tell you? It's like the conversation them with Gyal them had this morning. They shoot them too tight. The reason why, they tight shot there for a man and a woman attack. And the conversation intense.
No, you see, because it's nice and things. But he can't hear this when I come round. That's when I come round though.
When man and man attack, it shot off so tight, it look too intimate.
Yes, when I come round, but he can't give up on the situation like that because it's nice and everything.
Copy boy.
No, you know some people sometimes tell them fitness every tapping eyes and when nobody feel no way about it. So I'm just split, I'm just shoot it. Ready?
You ready?
Yeah man, she call me because me always call me, send me go uptown and parade and all about, so me hurt and she call me, I'll get in. And see you want Siobhan too, why me I tell her? He call him, my call him get cut down because so right now I know so I call him out come in more frequent. Me usually could have call her certain hours and night via how him lock her and then the call get cut off. Say, yo, you see, you think you're easy. You the man gonna find with woman. Yo, you're tough, me rate your cousin. I forget it.
Alright, cuz. Wait,
Alright, so wait.
Javon.
You know?
You realize he ain't said Javon?
Siobhan,
man.
Alright, what me say? So you can answer team say, ambition you know, you jump up to me. Ambition you say, jump up and answer this and that, ambition you have. Whenever get when I white girl, I'm saying I'm fine too. You understand? You want to yeah. So that's how I can them looking into it.
We say to the child,
jump up and
girl, feel you can go find, go better your life too. They are in Jamaican girl.
Yeah, tell them some ambition you have for you.
Yeah.
Because you can get when I white girl up out here.
Overseas to get better life, but they are jump up and down.
Like a man.
Alright. Yeah.
How would that be?
Nice control. Come on, me not. You see, if you come out of paramilitary training, Richie, and if you deal with them, I sit with people now, no discipline dog, you're rough.
I say you got to say rules, Steve.
Rules full of difference.
Rules full of no discipline. Unless the more teach military school. Alright, ready now.
You jump up and down ambition and have.
No, I think that too
Gyal.
Laugh and say.
Yeah, come
Laugh and say.
Oh no, let's look before that. Just use take pan share, you jump off with a Gyal. Just say.
Yeah, so
you think it's easy enough?
Yeah.
Take from those and then you want to reply.
Ready now.
I see how you're not easy, you know. You get the man gonna fuck you up. You're tough. You're tough, girl.
You come up, boy, you jump up and down ambition and have. I'm making anything to forget when I white girl them give you if you go overseas, go make life better for you.
Stop going on someone. You know, say Alexi, me love. Look how long me, look about 13, 14, me love Alexi, me love, man. I'm telling you, man.
Alright. Hope things work out. Wish you all the best. Say it again. Hope things work out for you. Alright.
Tell him, say, no, Alexi, me love, man. But you want Alexi call Hakeem right just on in court?
Yeah, take calls.
Alright, so anytime she said that already, the last part I want to say, you couldn't
go straight into the call. Your voice is here in the background?
No, try to not because it's a gift from
me. Your voice is here in the background, don't you?
When Lexi
call
yeah.
I wish Lexi. So Lexi
we see her there again.
Yeah, man.
Lexi, only the part with already.
Yeah. Yeah, man, your voice. Yeah.
Your voice.
Make you hear it.
Yeah, you want to the concrete. You want to step right and that means your voice in the background. So Bam, you can just...
You can just get one little piece and then switch it back to Lexi.
Yeah, man.
Why you say?
You can get some more. If any party can get a tight, take it. But any party make it a tight, you make it go on while carry a drive. You know what I mean?
Go catch one part like that now, see what I go on.
Oh, you look on fire.
You still have it, brother?
So don't let them fool you with them innocence.
No, put the camera for me.
This is a place where cameras work all the time.
No, put it for me.
Don't let them fool you with them innocence.
What going on, youngie?
We'll call our way. We come up here.
Hey. Wow.
I'm afraid, man.
You want a charger or some charger?
What are you doing to there? You alright now?
Don't let them fool you.
Alright, so BTS done right and now I just like memorize which one I did set to Lexi.
You're cool in there, man. You're cool in
Pick up
there.
on yourself. Subscribe,
Yeah,
like,
man,
share,
go.
all the good things. Later.